morning. It is currently about 9:30 and I decided to do another day in my life vlog. So let's spend the day together. Like I said, it's about 9:30 and I am actually gonna try following a little bit of the Moms on Call schedule today. So I wanted to see how that goes. We got up around 6:45 for a feeding this morning and he was awake after that until about 8 o'clock. So then I put him down from 8 to 9 and when I got him up, I fed him, changed him, and now we're doing some tummy time and some playtime. So we're gonna do this for about another 20 minutes or so. Today is Wednesday, which is my personal favorite day of the week because my husband works from home on Wednesdays. He did have to go to a client's facility this morning though, so he will be home with us in the afternoon, which I'm looking forward to. It is super gloomy and rainy out today, so I don't think it's gonna be very exciting. We do need to go to Costco tonight though to get our Costco membership set up, so I'm actually super excited about that. So while he was napping from 8 to 9, I used that whole hour to finish up a video that I had to edit. It's currently uploading, and then I also have been working on some TikToks, which I mentioned in my last video that I made a TikTok account. I'm having a lot of fun with it, so if you guys want to go ahead and follow me over there, I'll put the QR code thing on the screen and link it in the description box. But I'm gonna go ahead and spend the next 20 minutes or so with him and then try to get him down. Are you gonna like roll over? What the heck? You smile. You are just so handsome. I love you. It is now 10 o'clock and he started yawning, so I'm gonna try to get him down. Okay, it is 10 o'clock. I just got him down. He's fussing a little bit, but he's yawning, so I'm gonna give him some time to see if he falls asleep. And according to the Moms on Call schedule, he is supposed to sleep for a 2-hour nap now, so until noon, which we've never attempted, so we'll see how this goes. The reason that I wanted to try the Moms on Call schedule is because that obviously gives me longer stretches throughout the day to get things done. And since I have been feeding him on a 2-hour schedule, I really only get like 45 minutes to an hour to do things for myself. So he's usually pretty sleepy in the morning. I have a feeling this might go well, but we shall see. So I've been up for quite a while. I've gotten a lot of stuff done. My video's uploading. I've been editing some TikToks and, you know, doing things like that, but I still need to get myself ready for the day. So let's go ahead and do that. Look at you. Thanks, babe. I don't think I've had a venti since before I was pregnant. Okay, it's about 11:30 and according to the Moms on Call schedule, he's supposed to nap until 12. So he's fussing quite a bit. I'm gonna throw on my Solly baby wrap and see if I can baby wear him for the rest of the nap window. Are you gonna throw up on me? Are you gonna throw up on me?
You're not tired at all.
At 11:30, he usually like kind of goes right to sleep when I put him in here and he wants nothing to do with that. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it and feed him. But we made it an hour and a half, so that was pretty good. Is that good milky? Okay, my husband had a call that he had to hop on, so we came into our bedroom. I'm gonna put him in the bouncer. I'm gonna sit here and do my makeup and hang out. And I think I'm actually gonna film a TikTok while I'm doing my makeup, just with some updates about what's been going on now that I'm 7 weeks postpartum. So I just got ready and filmed the TikTok while I was getting ready, and I think that I might redo it tomorrow just because I felt like I turned on my phone and started recording and then just like completely forgot what I wanted to say. So I think I need to redo it and have like a list in front of me of what I want to talk about. Just things with like being 7 weeks postpartum, what's been going on with my body, with my baby. I literally cannot believe that I am 7 weeks postpartum. I cry all the time. I don't want to cry right now. I literally cry all the time about how fast it is going, and I just like never want to forget. So if you are a new mom or a soon-to-be mom, I definitely recommend, like, even if you're not taking videos, just like have a journal or something and just record what's going on with your baby and with your mindset and with your body and all of the stuff. It is going to go by so much faster than you think. I I just made a turkey wrap. This has been my go-to lunch recently. So I'm gonna eat this, and then at 1 o'clock, it's gonna be time for his next nap, but it's not raining, so I think I'm going to take him on a walk for it. Nap time was supposed to be from 1 to 3 according to the Moms on Call schedule. Our walk ended at like 2:15, and he was very hungry, so I fed him. So I'm not sure how well this Moms on Call schedule is gonna go, but I'm glad we're trying it. So it is 2:30 now, and he is wide awake, so I guess I'll just keep him up until, well, no. So I guess at this point, I'll just keep him up until about 3 and then put him down until 4. It kind of seems like we're going back to our normal schedule. It is now 3 o'clock, and I would say we are completely off of the Moms on Call schedule. So I think I'm gonna wear him for this nap, and then after his next feeding and when my husband's done with work, we're gonna go to Costco. Okay, I just got him all wrapped up. This is the Solly baby wrap. I really, really like it. I also have the Ergo baby. That's more of like the traditional buckle carrier. This one's the kind that you have to like wrap around. It's like a really long scarf. But anyways, I love baby wearing. He tends to sleep really well whenever I'm wearing him too. So I will enjoy this as long as I can. Just left Costco. It was a total zoo, but we are officially adults with our own Costco membership. And now we are in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru because it's dinner time. Okay, we just got home. Mike is unloading all the groceries, and I am feeding little man. It is, I think, like 6:30 now. So once I'm done feeding him, we will probably start to prep for bath time. What are you doing? He did really well while we were in the store. He did start to cry a little bit on the way home, but then once the car started moving again, he was totally fine. So I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. Thank you guys for spending the day with us. I hope that you enjoyed seeing another day in our life with little baby boy, and I will talk to you guys soon.